Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco F2 Pro and I'm gonna show you the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it, and we can do it by using this slider and simply go to the right here, to the end, to the Pro. So this gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters ourselves, and it's helpful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let's start with this settings bar here. The first one button here is the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of our picture. As you can see, we can pick from the tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light, cloudy light, and we have also access to this slider and can manually pick the white balance in Kelvin degrees, so we can make it more warm here and more cold as we need. This is how it works. And now let's go to the next button here. This is the focusing, so here we can change the autofocus to the manual focus, and by using this slider we can manually set up the focus here like that. The next one button here is the shutter speed, so here we can change the time of taking picture, and as you can see we can pick from pretty wide spectrum. We have the time from 1 and 4/1000 of seconds to the 30 seconds of taking picture, which is very long. So this gives lots of possibilities to making experiments, and it is very useful here. And the next one here is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see we also can pick from pretty wide spectrum, from 50 ISO to the 6 and 4/1000 of ISO, which is also very big. So this is very useful also here. And let's go to the next button. This is here locked for now because we set up the shutter speed and ISO manually. So one of these parameters here should be set up on the auto settings to unlock this. So for now, as you can see, when I set up the ISO on auto, the exposure compensation here is the unlocked, and also it works when I set up the shutter speed on auto. It also unlocks for now. So one of these parameters should be on auto. They can't be set up at the same time on manually to make it work. So the exposure compensation also let us to control the camera's the photo of the light of the photo. So here we can make our picture just more bright or more dark as we need. This is how it works here. And now let's go to the next settings. Here this is the lens. We can pick from wide lens to the ultra wide lens and to the macro lens. This is how it works here. I'm going to stay on the wide lens. And now let's move to these settings here. The first one here I want to show you is the metering. So here we can change it from center weighted metering to the frame average metering, and also to the spot metering. And now let's go to these settings here. This is interesting and not popular in the smartphone cameras, so I think this is very useful here. The first one here is the focus picking. So this is useful when we want to manual focusing, and it shows us where is the focus. So by using these red signs we can just set up better focusing here. And the next one here is the exposure verification. So this should show us if our exposure is correctly adjusted, and show us underexposed and overexposed areas. So for example, I'm going to overexpose it, and as you can see it shows us this line, so it suggests that this is too bright on the picture. So this is how it works. And now let's go to this button here. Here we have access to more advanced settings. Most of them are available also in the standard photo mode, but one of them is special. This is the RAW format. Here by tapping on this we can turn on and turn off it. The RAW format is used by professional photographers to taking pictures in the best possible quality and post-producing them in the graphic program. So this is very useful here. And the last thing I want to show you from this setting is that when we tap on the screen we can have this ring and we can separate this. So this is the focus and this is the exposure compensation, and by using this separately we can adjust it different. So this is how it works. And after turning it on all of these settings, we may want to go back to the original settings, and we can do it by tapping on this button here. So this is the button with the reset all parameters to their default values, and OK. And as you can see, now we are in the standard auto settings. So for now I'm going to take a picture. And let's go to the preview. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.